What is up? I'm Millie and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my second year uni room, considering I'm leaving it in a couple of weeks. I like watching my Peel Park one back. I'm at the University of Salford if you didn't know. And yeah, we're just gonna encapsulate this room in time and post it on the internet for everybody else to see. I'm just gonna walk you through it. It's looking a little bit empty in places because I have already moved some of my stuff out, but everything else is still kind of here. And we're just gonna go with it. It's not decorated to the like it's not the prettiest room in the world, can't lie. Let's go. Hello, I'm going to give you kind of an overview of the room and then I will kind of walk through. So here's my door here. It's kind of like one narrow corridor, and this is the wall down here. So yeah, this is the overview from this section. This is the view from over here, kind of my bedding areas in like this nook. It's a very tall room as well. Because I own so much stuff, we had to be quite smart with the storage in this room this year. So I have hooks on the back of my door, which we've added, and then I have like all my bags and like my dressing gown went here and stuff like that, extra things, but I've taken them home already. And then as we move to the side, I have my mirror, which did not come with the room. I've put it up, but we're not allowed to like hang things up unless they do it. So I have just put it on this stand. This is just like a shelf thing we already had at home, and underneath it I keep this basket with all of my hair things, like hair gels, hair bobbles, my umbrella, should be down the side of it, my hair dryer, just because my mirror's here and also it can plug in and everything. And then on top I have all of my medicine stuff. This is my medicine cupboard drawer thing. We've got plasters, flu tablets, which have come in so handy this year. So much paracetamol. And then we have just kind of all of my junk stuff that I use every day. So my hair brushes, which really need cleaning, my moisturizer, claw clips, like all my daily perfumes and my deodorant. This is just easy access, so I can like grab things when I need them, as of when I need them. And then to the side is kind of just like a pile of junk. So this, these are my shoes, which I kind of don't wear every day. I keep most of my shoes downstairs just because I have no room in here. And also I don't like bringing dirty shoes upstairs. Like I know with a lot of student houses you just wear your shoes upstairs and take them off. I really personally don't like that. I like to keep my room very clean. So majority of them stay down there. And then these are just some gloves. I don't know why they're here, so I should have moved those out. And then also keep my whiteboard here, which can get like moved around, and the whiteboard pens are behind it because I always put on like my to-do list. So for example, you can see film room tours on there today and stuff like that. Above this section I have like this massive plain wall because my room is so tall. So I've put my world map on there, hopefully taking off some more of this summer. To the opposite side of the door we have my radiator and my bin. This currently is where I hang like towels I've used because otherwise they hang like down. I'll show you in the bathroom, but they don't dry properly. Have my bin, which has evidence of my snacking. I needed a sweet treat last night, okay? And I usually also just have like a pile of dirty washing because my wash basket is out here, my wash that needs to go on. But yeah, this is out here because there's no room in my room. I then have my chest of drawers, which has, this is basically a massive storage area. So first drawer is underwear. This always gets caught because I have so many socks. And then this is just like t-shirts. These are honestly so messy because half my stuff has been moved out. Like vest tops, long sleeve tops. Please don't look at how messy it is. I think that's like pajamas, and then skirts down there. And I also just keep my uni bag. Here is my rucksack, which I take to uni obviously. On top we have this jewellery holder, which I got on Vinted when I first got to uni, which is so slay. It has a section for earrings, a section for bracelets, and a section for necklaces. And then underneath this picture it has loads of sections for like rings and studs, and then there's just extra section which I keep like my camp necklace, friendship bracelets in, my empty magnesium bottles to remind me I need to get some more even though it's been there for about a month. I have this photo from when my parents and my sister came up for my birthday for my 21st and we went to the wash house. I have a diffuser back here, and then I have this little guy, which if any of you know my friend Fiona, who I met at camp, she's from Mexico and she brought this to camp last year. She brought like loads of little gifts from Mexico for people to have, so This is my little reminder of her every time I see him. I have this box which I just keep like bits of jewellery in, mostly earrings and like spare earring backs and a spare hook. Got this box from my dad from India when I was a kid. He went to India and he brought it back for me. House keys, which I will move. I've got my salt lamp, which I got from Aldi for a tenner about 2 years ago, and then also my flatmate from last year's. Hello.
You said that was. Oh my god, no, you can't get me on the vlog like that. I was gonna ask if you can model for me.
Had to take a quick break there to model for my housemate for her course, but like I said, I got an Alan Partridge CD, which I meant to give to my flatmate, who I lived with last year, because it was accidentally in the telly that I had in our first year flat, which I took home, and I've only seen him once this year, and it was by accident when we bumped into each other. So really been meaning to give this to you, sorry Gabe. Then we have my desk area, which is kind of just a mess, honestly. This room came with a TV. Thank you, this is the best thing that's ever happened. Currently watching Chicago Med on this, and will be about to put on the next episode after I film this video. The current book that I'm reading, which is City of Lost Souls by Cassandra Clare. We have my makeup mirror, my water bottle, classic, need to go and fill this up, and my laptop because I'm doing some work. And then in this corner we had, well, this was full of junk before I moved it all out, but we have all my uni like books I write notes in, and then all my paperwork. We have the current camp show script is in here for this summer. I'm not going to show you guys because it's a surprise, but I'm working on that in my free time, and then my Sudoku book, lol. All my pens and makeup brushes, my planner, and all like the junk I'm currently using. And then I got this for my 21st birthday. It was like my gift to myself because I'm obsessed with street photography. I studied photography at A-levels, and obviously I do radio, TV and radio production, so it's kind of on like the same vibe, and I just love it. I haven't got that far through it yet because I want to like take my time to really look at the photos, but yeah, this is really sick, and it's women photographers, which love. This desk chair is actually the bane of my entire life. It screws on it fall out all the time. I think it's probably because I lean back on my bed as well, which is kind of my issue, but the current jumper I'm wearing around the house when it gets cold, I have a cushion on here to make it a bit more comfortable. And then I just have my makeup bag, which like lives here, and then my laptop charger usually lives below this desk as well. In here, it's like my junk drawer essentially. So we have like pins, glasses cleaners, like all my sticky notes, and candles, matches, like spare camera batteries and bits and bobs, my AirPods, bookmarks, like spare chargers. This is confetti from the 5 Seconds of Summer concert I went to earlier this year, so love that. And also the Hilltop sticker I got on my first year of staff at Pinemere. How cute is that? So yeah, that's in this. Ooh. Yeah, everything always gets caught. I also charge my phone from here because it all plugs in here. Oh my goodness, and at night my room is such a vibe because I have my lamp, right, my salt lamp, which turns on, and then also these fairy lights which go behind, and then all around my ensuite. Oh, how cute is that? And then in this drawer here we just have like a lot of important documents stay in here, and then also like my journal, and all my other journals and stuff I want to like scrapbook kind of just gets dumped in this drawer. In here, this used to be packed full of stuff. Right now I have my Percy Pig supply for my 21st birthday. This is my tech like shelf. It's got spare cameras, my tripod, like my purse, my big headphones, my hard drive is back there, all that. This next one had my spare makeup box, but right now it has my soap for my brows, like palettes that have no lids because they've broken off, so these are the ones I use every day just so I can use them up. And then some sunnies. Down here we have eyeshadow palettes, random junk, and then also all my nail polishes. And also here we have my calendar. This year we went for like iconic British landscapes because it makes me want to travel. Oh, gorgeous, look at that. Look at all my camp section. Love that for me. I used to have a massive pile of books up here before I moved most of them out, but yeah, these are the two that I'm gonna try and get through. Well, I think I'll finish City of Lost Souls, and then I'll read The Hate You Give next, and then if I get through both of those I'll go to Heavenly Fire. I used to have a big box up here that just stored basically all the junk that I needed but didn't want on show, but now it just has like my 21st birthday cards and then stuff to take home when I move out. On here, you can kind of see me, hey, is my wardrobe. My wardrobe is kind of messy. It's kind of a dumping ground, I'm not gonna lie. This is towels, like clean towels and clean bedding. Behind here, we've got my spare toilet rolls, and then whenever I ship Vinted parcels, these are the packages I've like recycled, and I'll just send again because eco-friendly is what Vinted is made for. We've got all my clothes, just so messy. I have a lot of stuff I like to hang up, so that's what this is. And then my mum came up with a genius storage plan because we had so much space at the bottom of the wardrobe, and I have a lot of clothes, I'm not gonna lie. This would always be like, if it was summer, I'd have all my winter clothes in here, or if it was winter, I'd have all my summer clothes in there. And then this is like my going out smaller tops box, which I can just pull out and put on my bed if I'm getting ready for a night out. This is my workout gear box, so like, ugh, look at that bit of hair. Oh, sorry guys. So like leggings, sports bras, all that good stuff is all in there. And then we come over to my bed section. It's like, my room is honestly shaped so funny. So my bed is like in this nook here. If you can see, like, you see the ceiling? It's like in a little nook, which is kind of cute, kind of love. Right by my bed, I have this box which has all my skincare and all my vitamins that I take every day, and I just like pull it onto my bed in the evenings. It works very well. My bed sheets I got secondhand, so I've had them for like 2 or 3 years now, but got them for uni. I have all of my soft toys. So this is Luke the penguin, Mikey, got him from Chester Zoo, Mr. Bully, even though he's a Highland cow. This is the new addition to the family. Got him for my 21st. He's called Rufus, or Roof short. And I swear Uni is in here somewhere. Uni is my like unicorn, but I can't find her right now. I've had Uni since I was like 4 though. I don't know where she is. That's so weird. She's probably like in the bed somewhere. I have this poster here, which is The Kiss by Klimt, and I also have this one here. Both I got from Affleck's at the start of the year because my room was so tall, I just needed bigger posters. So that's what these are. I also have fairy lights that go like around this poster, but I don't put them on that often because they're battery operated. I'm just gonna stand on my bed and hope I don't fall. Up here, I have a map. It's a scratch map, so the same as the world one, but it's the UK counties because I want to go to all the UK counties. You can see I've done a lot in the northwest. Right by my bed, I've got all my crystals. Just keep them here because they look fun and I didn't really have anywhere else to store them. And I've also got my cup of tea, which I've spilt some of, so whoops. And then this was like an addition because I liked to read in bed. So it was on my desk, but I moved it here so I can, it's like a light, I can turn it, it's like a light, clearly it's a light. So I can turn it on and off and like move it around when I'm reading in bed. Down here, just to show you not very exciting things, I have my suitcases, and then I also just have a pile of literal junk. Most of this is clothes that I'm donating, but I just haven't had a chance to take to the charity shops yet, so I kind of just tuck them down the end of my bed. Over here is kind of like a shrine to myself, so I have postcards from when I went to Hawaii, New York again, and Hawaii, and then this is my 2024 vision board. We've kind of got like health and fitness, my YouTube stuff, good grades, a lot to do with like working in the industry, my savings. Look at me when I got back from America, those were my dollars. Oh, you probably can't see that, there we go. We've got like a lot of travel and good experiences and camp. I have like an actual section dedicated to camp, so I have a lot of people from camp actually on here, just because I love them. I have some uni pictures as well. So yeah, that's my vision board for 2024. And then obviously my Klimt poster, and underneath that, this was my poster from last year, and it was all of these artworks with the like picture on them, so I just ripped them out once I was done with it and put them there. And then finally onto the ensuite. Down here I just have storage with like my tripod and stuff, and the light is in such a weird position. Like Would you not think it would be so much better here? But obviously because of the electronics, they probably couldn't do that. So you've got to reach round. Like my door, the room is so small that it doesn't have room for a proper door. So it like opens up like this. Yeah, it's like fancy. The only issue is the door doesn't like properly shut or anything. You literally just push it to, and then if you're sat on the toilet, you have to shut this door because you sit on the toilet, right? And that window in next door, that's not our house, that's next door's house, can look directly into my toilet. It's so bad. But yeah, we'll just turn this on. It's just a bit difficult to get to, especially if the door's already open. And because there's no window in this bathroom, I like to keep the door open as much as possible to get that ventilation. Right, pretty basic bathroom, but I'll go through it anyways for you guys. Have this here, so I have obviously my bin, toilet brush came with it, obviously a toilet, way, and then all of my sanitary products down there, yay to be a girl. And then it didn't come with like a handle for any toilet rolls, so we got this at probably like B&M or a shop like that for toilet rolls. It needs a bit of a clean, I can't lie, sorry, my bathroom is not the cleanest right now, sorry. And then also like a air freshener, I nearly called it a refresher, an air freshener, like, what are they called? What's one of those called? Air freshener? Diffuser. I added on these hooks for my hand towel and then face towel as well. This towel has to be washed so much because there's not really anywhere to hang it up, so it kind of just gets a bit disgusting. I have my shower towel hung up here by the shower. Pretty good size mirror to be fair, and all right lighting actually for a bathroom, so sometimes I do my makeup here if I'm going on a night out. And then, please excuse the hair that's on my sink, but yeah, just a pretty basic sink. Toothbrushes, retainers, soap, and then what's quite nice about this actually is it has this storage section, so I keep all of my cleaning supplies in there and I don't have to look at them, even though this door doesn't shut properly. Like, I think the magnet doesn't work properly or whatever, but yeah. Then, oh my goodness, if you're a uni student and you have an ensuite, let me tell you, this is one of the best purchases I ever did. Even if you are going into a shared house actually, and you trust everybody in that shared house quite well, like you're all quite good mates, highly recommend getting one of these. So I usually have 2 of these here, but I've taken the other one home, and I just store like all of my spare bathroom bits. So like my micellar water, my makeup remover, spare toothbrushes, spare shampoo, my cleaning toothbrush. I think my mouthwash is a bit messy in here at the moment, but yeah, store this. I got this from like Wilko or a shop like that. They sell them everywhere, Tesco's. And then I have a really nice size shower actually. Amazing water pressure, I will say. So in here I've just got one of these grey baskets which store all of like my shampoos, conditioners, everything. Yeah, the only weird thing about this bathroom is they clearly ran out of the tiles, because my bathroom's the only one with this brown tiling in the shower. Everyone else has grey stuff, so they clearly didn't order enough of the grey. But that's fine, because it's a really great shower and I really enjoy it. And there we have my second year uni room. Not decorated. I feel like some people are so good at decorating their uni rooms, but I just did not have like the money for it this year. However, I'm so excited for my 3rd year uni room. Moving in with 4 lads, so that could be interesting. But they're all mates. Love you all. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. If you want to see some more content from me, then subscribe down below. I've got me camp content coming. I've got more uni content coming for my last year of uni. Oh my goodness, what the heck? How am I graduating next year? It's actually not all right. And I took a gap year, so half my friends are graduating this year, and I'm like, oh, that's a lot of pressure. That's a lot of intensity right now, but I will see you very shortly. Bye.